This one is about getting the world to work for you and not against you. Now, do you know people that think the whole world is conspiring against them? Everything is negative and they have a dark cloud following them everywhere they go? I bet you know people like that. Now, what if we thought the whole world is completely working for us, that everything kind of goes our way and the sunshine always follows us? Now, you can have either. It just depends on your mindset and how you act on it. The other day, I had a friend that was getting her car inspected because her lease was up. I was walking by the person that was inspecting her car, and I was about to get in my car when I decided to look up at the guy and smile. He seemed friendly, so I asked him how the inspection was going. He said it was pretty standard. I could have nodded and left, but I tend not to give up so easily. I try to make it a point to make people feel valued. Everyone likes to feel important, don't they? So I mentioned he had a pretty interesting job driving around meeting new people all the time, and he started to open up and tell me all about his job. Eventually he said, "Why are you giving this car back?" "The lease was up," I said. He said, "Do you know you have the right to buy this car at a really low price that was set before the car shortage, and you can sell it for a lot more since used cars are in really short supply right now?" I told my friend. Neither of us knew this was an option. And that conversation was worth thousands of dollars. Sure, we can wait for opportunities to fall into our lap, or we can consciously try to be open to them and open to people. And we don't have to do it just to get something. It just happens sometimes. People will say we're lucky. I think everyone is lucky when they create their luck. And the world is full of opportunities if you focus outward. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment on other topics you'd like to see, and thanks for watching 2 Minute Mindsets.